Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. By holding a finger on it you can access some of its settings, but no, unfortunately you can't. So you can only just tap on it to start recording. Here you can access some settings. You can change audio source, you can select microphone, device, audio, or both. And you can also show touch gestures on screen. So tap start, and after the countdown the recording will start. So I don't know, let's record some of our screen, maybe some settings. So if you want to stop recording, go to the upper bar and tap on this, tap to stop. And after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the movies, and here it is. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.